Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys doing extremely well and awesome. Because right now it's it's night time. It's gonna be like it's almost 11 in the night, and I have to wake up at 1 because like I'm going on a road trip. It's like not in Sharjah, not inside UAE, outside UAE, because we are going towards Oman, where that you'll get to know by in this video itself. Because I'm taking this cute little beast, so yeah, we're just gonna go there, and it's gonna be like a bit chill. It's gonna be like adventurous. So, and that place is like the place where I'm going. Like I'm going after 5 years. I'm going to that particular place after 5 years. So it's gonna be like pretty amazing. So you can see. So let's get started. Guys, I've left and I'm super late. It's 2:45. I was supposed to leave like around 2. It's crazy. All late, so I don't really निकल रहे. So guys, we just reached the parking and we transferred everything over here. We were supposed to take this, but we are taking this. So yeah, everything just got packed up. So we are all ready. So the car is all packed up. Okay, so and we are all set to leave. And the time right now is 3:05. So we have just reached Oman, and like that is the border. Like yeah, that's the border, and that's the place. And right now we are at the first stop. Like it's near to the border itself with the restaurant and all. We just came here to get the local SIM, and so we can communicate. Like so we could use WhatsApp, like maps, what all not. So yeah, and and we're going towards Jabal Shams, and first trip is towards Jabal Shams, and the distance is around 226 kilometers. That will take you around approx 3 hours, 20 or 30 minutes. Sorry, but yeah. Time right now is 6, I think. Wait, it's 6:23 in the morning, and right now I'm in Buremi, I guess. Yeah, I'm in Buremi. So yeah. चाय का टाइम है और सनराइज़ भी बड़ी खूबसूरत से आ रही है. ये ओमान पुलिस छोड़ो, मेरी ये गाड़ी भी इधर है, तो कितनी अच्छी लग रही है एंगल में. बहुत सुंदर है. हम लोगों को नाश्ता बाकी है. नहीं आएगा. आया थोड़ा आया. सन के अगेंस्ट है ना. लोका मिलिट्री बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. इनका जास्ती लोका मिलिट्री स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओमान का. हाँ, सऊदी के बाद का सबसे जास्ती लोग का मिलिट्री इनका साइज बड़ा है ना. फर्स्ट फ्यूल ब्रेक इन ओमान. Oh, look at this fort. It's so pretty. वाह, महाराज के यहाँ पे एसी भी. वेरी नाइस. ताला भी. ये वही फैसिलिटी है सेम. वाईफाई से डाउनलोड किया है. बस मैं अभी आप लोगों को एक व्हाट इज द कैफेज नेम? क्लिफ कैफ़े में मैं आया। मैं सबसे अच्छा स्पेनिश लाटे और सैंडविचेस जो खाया ना, बहुत मज़ा आया। एंड बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त मज़ा आया। तो मैं आप लोगों से मिलता हूँ, ठीक है? तो हाँ, just follow to on this Instagram and give some love to this place. So and this is located in Jabal Shams, right? Yeah. See you. All right. Just see you. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Oh God, what a view! What a view! It's so cool with this Batman. There's one more. There's like इसके टेंट भी है यार, ज़बरदस्त है। ये भी अपनी गाड़ी है, तो ये भी हम लोगों के साथ ही है गाड़ी, तो इसलिए यार ज़बरदस्त मज़ा आ रहा है। So guys, this is the like my best up day ever. Like होटल का फुल कीड़ा फैल गया, तो इसलिए हम लोग इस प्रॉपर्टी में थोड़ी देर के लिए इधर ही रुके हुए हैं। You can see our cars are here. Everything just got it's pretty good. There are farms, everything, because farms के इधर ही ये होटल, ये रिजॉर्ट है। इधर भी रिजॉर्ट है, हर जगह रिजॉर्ट है इसके अंदर। It's so cool, so pretty, बहुत pretty है। तो अभी मेरे ख्याल से 5 बज गए हैं। हाँ, अप्रॉक्स यहाँ पे 5:30 बज चुका है यहाँ पे। और and we are just gonna have early wala dinner because and we have to sleep early because we didn't sleep we slept but we couldn't sleep properly because we left out from Sharjah around 2:30 or 3 something or the other, and then it's at 3:15 something or the other, I don't know, but yeah, we like from Sharjah to the border I drove, rest my dad's friends drove. So as you can see what all is going on in this vlog. So I know first day it was like a bit complicated but didn't go well, but it's okay, this shit happens. And we're just gonna have dinner, and then we're just gonna go to the other hotel and just sleep there. We just first chill, then go to any hotel and sleep, and then we'll wake up, go for the breakfast, and we'll go head back to another place. Yeah, I just reached to a hotel. I mean, sorry, into a restaurant, and oh my God, look at this view! What? It's so pretty. It's amazing. It's so pretty.